Guys, did you know that you can get rid of your pimples, acne, black spots, and even eczema using Dettol liquid? Alright, in this video, I'll be explaining to you the step-by-step method on how to apply this. Firstly, you get a cup of water. Here's my water. I'm using this transparent plate because I wanted to see the reaction of whatever I'm doing inside. And then you get your cotton wool and also your Dettol. Okay, I tried this and my skin got burnt, so please, I would advise, do not use it direct on your skin. So now, how to apply it to your water? You get just a small drop of Dettol. You shouldn't be up to half of this cover. Just small liquid of it. I don't know if you can see from here. It's just a small liquid. It's not up to half of the cover. Then you carry your water. You apply it. Can you see the drop? So I don't know if you can see the reaction. The water has changed. You know how Dettol do react. And then pick your cotton wool. And then you dip your cotton wool inside your mixture. Can you see what I'm doing? And then use it as a face cleanser. Use it as a wipe or cleanser. Can you see? My face is not that dirty. I've used it before, so I'm just trying to use it for you to see. I've tried this for 1 week and I've gotten an amazing result. So try this and thank me later.